Okay.
That's why you got 2 from me.
What's up?
It's just.
This your girl Jess.
It's your boy Kobe.
That's my son. He just said his name is Kobe, but I call him Stink. What's up? Okay. So, I've been watching Be Love all week, right? You know,
You might know her.
My Be Lovely. Right? Been watching her all week, y'all. I gotta turn on the light so we can get some more light.
Yeah, boy.
I've been watching her all week, y'all.
You do?
And
I know that.
I've been craving because I'm pregnant, expecting in October. Okay?
I thought it was in November. You told
No,
me
I've
in
been
November.
told you October.
You told me November.
I told you October.
No, you didn't. No, you did not.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, I've been watching her all week, and I went and got me a seafood boil.
I'm gonna try some too.
Okay, look, I got my corn.
What we gonna? Can I go through the crab leg? Can I go crab leg?
Son,
It's hard.
because they king crab. Quit putting your hand in my stuff. And then your hand wouldn't get hurt. Because they just porked your hand, didn't it?
Yeah, but
I told you. Huh?
should I get some gloves?
Nah, I do it for you. Then I went and got me some
King
king
crab.
crab, right?
King crab.
My son and I almost hurt himself. He didn't know that they had pointy things on these king crab. Oh, look at, woo,
Nice.
look at that joint right there. You want some butter, son?
Yeah.
Fix the remote so, fix the camera so I can see both of us.
Like put it like this. Put it like that. Like that.
That's cool. I'll tilt it a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna dip it for my son so he can taste it. He really don't even like
Yeah, I tried it one
seafood.
time.
Okay, come on.
I like fish a little bit.
You like it?
Mhm.
No, you don't. You
Yes,
like
I do.
Okay.
That tastes good though. I'm gonna try. What?
He thought I had saved him some. Nah.
Don't. Oh, too bad for that fish. He only has one leg. And he got a robot leg.
Mm.
Excuse me.
Want this? He really don't like it.
I think small bites.
Okay.
Should I try
You want to
corn?
try a shrimp, son?
Yeah. Cause I don't like shrimp, but I'm gonna try it. Just for one time. One time.
Okay. Okay. You want some butter? There you go.
It's not look like shrimp.
That's shrimp.
Okay. Put a little bit butter on it.
You want it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Nope, let me get that. I never ate one.
You want a plate?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Okay. So, I got a pound. Well, what's that pound? 2 pounds of king crab, a pound of snow crab,
What is snow crab?
a pound of shrimp, 4 sausages,
and
4 pieces of corn, 4 potatoes, and it was $105.
That much money.
Huh? But the mad crab is in St. Louis. Anytime y'all come here,
King
on
crab.
Olive.
You can get the king
Fire.
crab. Mama, we was on Olive one time,
Mm-hmm.
and I saw that, and I think I saw the truck. Mama, did you get the truck?
Mm-mm.
When you gonna get the truck?
You know we're recording, right? Well, y'all my business.
Sorry. They ain't gonna know what truck it is.
Can you just be quiet and let me eat? He interrupting. He should be asleep. It's 11 o'clock. He just came back from the baseball game with his uncle though. So, trying to let the little nigga breathe, but he getting on my nerve.
Yeah, you know we on YouTube too.
Uh-huh. What? Oh, because I talked to a nigga. I'm sorry.
Thought somebody was coming down upstairs. I thought somebody was coming upstairs. Let me get another of that green grass. It's good.
Huh? Yeah. We went there. We went there, Uncle Montoya. For my mama's birthday.
I'm gonna go.
Kept forgetting that anymore.
Oh, okay. It's time for you to go to sleep. No, you need to eat your. Why you ain't eat your waffles?
I did.
What are you doing? Come on, bro.
I'm gonna go.
Here, come on.
Y'all wanna try the king grabbing me? What's wrong with that lady? I wanted to try that one.
It didn't come out like it was supposed to. So I got my scissors.
Scissors. Scissors. Scissors. Scissors.
You gotta have scissors with king crab. They ain't like any other crab.
Like, you can't rip it in half. It will hurt. But subscribe and like this video.
That's right, son. Thank you. All right, my baby. Better subscribe and like.
Give this to 1,000 likes. Or 1 million.
We'll start off with 1,000.
Okay, and then we're gonna go to 1 million.
Yeah. We'll start off small and then go up. And then I got shebang sauce, mild, because sometimes the stuff be too hot.
What is your bean?
And some sauce they put.
That's just good.
Okay. All right, now go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's time for you to go to sleep, baby. You say, bye to our peoples.
What's your YouTube name gonna be?
I don't know. For right now, it's your girl Jessica
And Kobe.
and your boy.
Kobe.
Yep.
Peace
And
out.
peace out. He gotta go to sleep.
Yeah,
We'll go somewhere else to eat and show y'all when he can stay up.
No, I was just seeing a video in the morning.
All right. Good night, Stink. Love you. Yeah. This so far. Y'all do not understand. Like, hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. Fire. Hell no.
You get anything like milk?
Oh, now when you're eating big king crab, they brought me up.
You want her?
Yeah,
Yeah, mom.
they brought me. Y'all ain't doing it, huh?
You can get some.
Big hungry.
You know you were getting recorded. I'm on my YouTube channel.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm recording my YouTube channel.
I know it's gonna be
I
a
know you're not sitting here eating like that on your YouTube.
Yeah.
Hungry shit.
That's what people do on YouTube.
Yeah.
Give me my thing.
Get mama a plate.
Good.
I want to bop this and drop about two up and drop both of them there.
You want a king crab or snow crab?
What's the difference?
They're different. One is soft.
This is
One is
king.
hard.
I mean, they taste different.
Yeah.
What? How you
You'll
taste?
probably like snow crab.
Break it.
I never
Huh?
tried something. I never tried. Is it going in the snow?
Yeah. They grow in the
No.
cold weather.
Like the polar place. Or polar bear. That's what it's called.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Kobe, go in bed. Let's see how my father is.
Good night, Kobe. I just told you that. You finna have people on YouTube on you see you getting breast. Good night. You want some butter? Huh?
Buddy.
Yeah, this so fire. Remember, it's called Mad Crab. Put a little bit of that shebang sauce on there.
That's how they do this. Now, pretty much.
The next time I have it in a bowl so I can see it. Right now, I'm not gonna do that.
Give me a big crab. What dirty?
Taco Bell. Taco Bell.
Think about you never sit, I just realized, when we was on the train, we never had to sit in those special seats. You could sit anywhere you wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
So if I didn't have prejudice on the train, I wouldn't sit on it. I'm dead spinning about it. I don't know what's in
Who had to sit on special seat?
Huh?
Who had to sit in special seat?
No, black people sit anywhere in the coach is what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Remember you said you went to the little Spanish boys was on the train?
Mm-hmm.
You never sit in the special, you sit anywhere. They might not thought we were black, I don't know. This one was actually
I got a good seat now.
oh, she's doing this dance.
Where you going, Alan?
Yeah, what is wrong with you?
You want on island? Just like,
The last best food. And I couldn't figure I had to build a thing on my check and I couldn't figure out. I said, that's why. And then I thought your mom had put something on my thing. Yeah. I forgot we went to the rooster. I couldn't figure out where it was. This girl reminded me. I said, I couldn't do no rooster. I'm trying to close it in my mind. I forgot we went down there.
you thought you went to the Red Rooster?
No, I'm not anything like that. I don't know no rooster. I've been all places with that's one thing. How's it today? Should I kept forgetting?
Huh?
It's got things on.
Yeah, that's the only meat that was in it.
Oh,
That's what I did remember what this is. Did Jerry read that? You think he did?
very draw.
Now, you think did Jerry get it?
He drove. That's the day I went to go vote.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we went to vote on it. Yes, certainly. Oh, yes, they was going. It's only 38 seconds.
In the
It's
morning.
snowing in about 7, 8 states.
Yeah, they gonna get like 2.
2 feet.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna bypass St. Louis. When I was going to college,
You want some more?
it was too warm. It's
All right, y'all.
a big place, but they never.
Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos. I'm going to get better at them as I go along. But thank you for watching.
Where did Jay go?
Peace, love. What is it?
And so.
Oh, peace, love, and soul.